Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually get your Wise virtual card and start using it to shop in, get your free trials, and or get your money out. It depends on what you want to do. So, first of all, you have to go first to your Wise account. How to do so? Just go ahead and open any browser or your phone and just search for Wise. And here basically you will find this page. Here you will find a lot of information. What you're gonna do is choose whether your account is personal or business account, and then if you haven't got an account already, you click on here to register and make a new account. You can use Google or Facebook or Apple to log in, or you can just make your email and put it and just create your account. Now if you want to log in, you just go back and log in from here. So basically I will go to my account, and here I will show you how you can actually get your virtual card. So basically after you open this page or your account, it will be open just like so. Now what you have to do is just ignore this page. What you have to do is go to here to this corner or this menu and click after that on cards. Right after that, if your country actually have the access to Wise cards, you will be able to see different types of cards in here. Of course you will not have it at the beginning, so what you have to do is ask them for cards. So you will click on a button. It's just a click of a button, guys. So you will click on the button, you request for a card, and like in couple seconds the card will be created and given for you guys. So it is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So what you have to do basically is go to your Wise account, once again go to your cards, and from here basically you have to go and click on create my first virtual card, and that's how you can make your own virtual card on Wise, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.